How to fix Spotify no internet connection on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then when it's open, just go to apps or application and search for Spotify. When you found Spotify, just open it like this and go directly to storage. On storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen and click on it, clear data, click OK, and go back and click force stop and click OK. And now what you should do, just go to Play Store and update your Spotify application. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.